Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Real Review. Today our review is on a Quasi Hub. Quasi Hub is a game-changer traffic application specially built for affiliates and online marketers which eliminates traffic generation problems with just one mouse click. The one-click traffic generation solution for affiliates and marketers. This revolutionary traffic app was developed to automate the successful traffic generation methods that I used. This platform sends you free buyer traffic from over 100 sources in minutes. Eliminates all traffic generation challenges with just one click. Consistently regenerates regular passive affiliate commissions. Requires no technical skills, experience, or budget. Has enabled beta testers to quit their job and go full-time online. 100% beginner friendly, works in minutes and no experience needed. At least that's what they say. Watch the Quasi Hub review to learn the truth. With Quasi Hub, all it takes is 3 steps to succeed as an affiliate. Step 1. Invest in Quasi Hub. Step 2. Log in and activate. And step 3. Relax, push go and relax. There are so much of advantages for Quasi Hub. You can make money while you are away from the keyboard. Wave goodbye to the 9 to 5 rat race. Spend more time with the people you care about. Be location independent. Buy the items that you have always dreamed about and have full control over your own life. So how much is it going to cost you to get your hands on this life-changing software? Well, you're probably thinking, an app that drives targeted traffic at the click of a button is going to be super expensive. After all, investing in Quasi Hub effectively replaces Google Ads, Facebook ads, and other paid traffic methods that deliver a rapid result. Methods that you would typically spend thousands of dollars on. But the thing is that Quasi Hub is being released specifically to make money. It's being released to help those of you who are struggling with traffic generation. So you don't have to pay anything. Quasi Hub comes with completely 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's safe to use. To get instant access to Quasi Hub, please check out the link in my description down below. Quasi Hub has most powerful utility tools such as email encoder or decoder, meta tag generator, outcat generator, plagiarism check, valid email check, duplicate email filter, URL encode or decode, robot code generator, etc. Anyone can compare and find the right products from the top platform like Variaplus. Users can see top products and research about other products. Build personalized, mobile responsive and conversion optimized post-click landing pages. Fully customizable landing pages that increase conversions and no hosting, no domain required. If you're looking for the fastest way to succeed in affiliate marketing, this really is it. There is no faster way to drive free targeted traffic than with Quasi Hub. This works just as well for newbies as it does for experienced marketers. So get it now. This Quasi Hub revolutionary traffic generation app drive targeted traffic from over 100 websites in one click. Built-in landing page creator, built-in hosting, built-in analytics, built-in SEO tools and built-in done-for-you campaigns. Quasi Hub is 100% beginner friendly, so anyone can log in and use the software regardless of the experience. However, they include training that shows you exactly how to maximize your return on investment. Quasi Hub can do total automated control of your list building system, ability to grow not only email leads but SMS as well, ultra fast high speed servers, dozens of professional templates to get your offers noticed to grow your list, powerful analytics to track your wins and much more. This is a risk-free investment. Then what are you waiting for? The beta testing row was specifically chosen to be diverse and includes many beginners. If you can follow instruction, then you can succeed with QuasiHub. This is all about the review on QuasiHub. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, it's BeReal Review signing off and take care.